In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage file attachments in a Monday.com board. To get started, open the Monday.com board that contains the items and file attachments you want to work with. This is the main workspace where your tasks, projects, or records are stored. Before going any further, take a quick look across the columns in the board and check whether there is already a files column available. In many boards, this column may already be set up, but if it is not there, you'll need to add one so files can be attached directly to the relevant items. If you need to add it, create a files column in the board. This gives you a dedicated place to store documents, images, PDFs, and other attachments connected to each item. Having a files column keeps everything organized and makes it much easier to review attachments later, especially when several people are collaborating in the same board. Once the files column is ready, upload the necessary files to the correct items. Make sure each file is attached to the item it belongs to, since this is what allows Monday.com to organize everything properly in the next view. Taking a moment to match files accurately can save time later when you need to locate or share them. After your files have been added, click Add View. This is where you can create a different way of looking at the information in your board. From the available options, choose Files View if it appears. This view is designed specifically to help you see all file attachments connected to the board in one place instead of opening each item one by one. Once the Files view opens, review all files connected to the board. This can be especially useful if you want a quick overview of everything that has been uploaded, or if you need to confirm that attachments were added successfully. It creates a more centralized and visual way to work with board files. From this files view, you can open files to inspect them, download files if you need local copies, or manage them directly within the board. Depending on your access and setup, managing files may include actions like reviewing what has been uploaded and selecting the file you need more efficiently. That's the full process for viewing and managing file attachments in a Monday.com board. Once you're familiar with this workflow, it becomes much easier to keep your board organized and ensure important files are always easy to find.